Hello all, I am Dr. Aditi Prabhu, naturopathy and yoga physician, also stress management expert. Today I am here to talk about depression. Do you know guys, 1 out of 7 individuals will suffer from depression symptom at some point of his or her life. Depression is one of the most common causative disability in developed low and medium economic countries. In fact, 150 million people around worldwide are suffering from depression symptoms. The World Health Organization had already predicted that depression will become the second most prevalent disease by the end of 2020. And what are we doing with this life altering mood disorder? The typical treatment, antidepressant, which don't work for everyone, and it also comes with a baggage of side effects. What is depression? Depression is when a person experiences low mood persistently to the point that it starts interfere in her daily life. The struggling with the symptoms of depression is so painful to both the person who is experiencing it and also to their loved ones. What are the causes of depression? Stress, unmanaged or unresolved emotional problems, or irregular hormones or hormonal imbalance, neurotransmitter imbalance, alcoholism, nutritional deficiencies, also lack of sunlight, and sometimes metal toxic too. So sometimes people with some of the underlying diseases like cancer, diabetes, hypertension, heart, or those who have undergone with the trauma also suffer from depression. Depression can happen at any age. It can happen in childhood, the symptom may start in adult or even in the older age too. So what are the symptoms of depression? Low mood, irritability, lack of concentration, lack of sleep, feeling helplessness or feeling worthless or uh, feeling no hopes, gut issues or digestive issues, headaches, lack of appetite, weight gain, irritation, bad mood swings, no interest in any hobbies or activities, thoughts of suicides, also attempt to suicides. So depression is that bad, people can end their life by suiciding. So what are the symptoms, what are the solutions for depression? The first thing is ventilation. Yes, you should act like a cooker. You should ventilate whatever you have stored in mental pot. Please guys, do understand that if you don't ventilate, you can burst at any time. So start sharing your problems or start discussing your problems with your near and dear ones. If you have a fear of getting judged by them, find the right person, consult them, share your thoughts, get the right solution, and come out of depression in the initial stage itself. The second, regular exercise. Yes, the research said that exercise or the regular exercise of 30 to 60 minutes can boost or can elevate your mood by producing n number of happy hormones in your body. So exercises must or regularly practice exercise to come out of depression. Third, yoga or meditation. Yes, start understanding yourself. What are you going through? Why you are going through this condition? Or what is there that is unresolved in yourself? Start doing yoga and meditation and start feeling relaxed. Next, start using some of the essential oils or aromatherapy which makes or which elevates your mood and you start feeling good. Yes, there are some of the antidepressants, foods and herbs guys. You should start having food and herbs which can elevate your mood regularly. Also, spend time outdoors. Sitting inside the four walls can increase your depression symptoms and the symptoms can worse. So, start spending time outdoors. Give some distant vision to your eyes. That itself relaxes 30% of your brain because seeing something distant is a relaxation to your eyes and as well as your brain too. So start having anti-inflammatory diet as well, which reduces the inflammation in your body and which prevents getting depression symptoms whoever has underlying primary diseases. So please guys, do act on right time, act on your depression symptoms, don't go to the worst, act initially, come out of your depression, enjoy the life you live once, enjoy that, stay happy, stay healthy.